How's it going? How was your day? I have something to talk about. Um, it's snowing today outside. Winter is coming. No, winter is here. Do you like winter and snow? Mm, I don't like. The reason is the reason comes down to three things. At first, daytime is much shorter than in other seasons. I love driving, so the darkness takes the fun out of it. And second, we have to shovel snow and create obstacle. Yeah, and even on the weekday morning, that means getting up even earlier. Yes, if we don't, um, the car will be bullied, and we are going to be how can I say, stuck. And third, uh, the city the city truck spreads salt in order to prevent ice and accident. And that means the wet and salt road makes our car filthy in no time. We have to clean my car immediately, and it's over and over repeatedly. I don't like it. Yeah, snow just brings a bunch of annoying chores. That's why I don't like winter season so much. How about you? Would you tell me? Thank you. Bye.